Little bits are a great way for students in intermediate grades to learn the basics of circuit design and real-world problem solving. They allow students to creatively combine bits to build circuits. This kit is designed for up to 4 students working on one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. This kit includes an invention guide with instructions on how to create circuits. It also has an educator and inventor quick start guide to help you get started. The Little Bits kit has a durable container with 25 bits, which includes power bits, input bits, wire bits, and output bits. There are also 35 accessories to use with the bits. Students build their projects by snapping magnetic components together. Bits are color-coded by their functions. Every circuit starts with a power bit, which is blue. The power bit provides power and sends an electrical signal to the attached bits. Input bits are pink and accept input from you or the environment. They control the signal coming from the power to tell the connected output bits what to do. Output bits are green, and their job is to take the signal to do things like light up, make noise, or move. Wire bits are orange and let you connect bits in new ways and directions. One very powerful bit is the coding bit. This bit can be programmed to follow instructions using code through the Fuse app that can be accessed at fuse.littlebits.com. Create a gentle breeze to cool off things by combining the on and off power bit with the input bit and the output fan bit. Each kit has a battery holder that requires a 1.9 volt battery, so be sure you have access to replacements for any batteries that might die. For more resources, you can visit classroom.littlebits.com/kits/STEAM or our Maker Kit website. When returning the kit, be sure that students take time to return all the parts back neatly in the case. And if the kit will be stored for a long period of time, remove the battery so it will not leak and damage other parts. Reach out to your ed tech for more information or with questions, and don't forget to check out our Maker website for more information and ideas. Thank you.